Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Fairphone 5 and in this video I am going to show you how to manage app permissions on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings. Next we have to open privacy option where we have to open permission manager. Now right here I'm gonna use go to the for example microphone permission, and here we can choose what apps we want to allow to this permission and what apps we don't want to allow. And you can do this with whatever permission and whatever app you want. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!